I just noticed this door came a little bit beaten up here. And there's a little here. I don't think that matters too much. Oh, and there's some down there at the bottom. Maybe we can steam it out. Damp washcloth, not sopping wet, just damp. And an iron. I'm gonna turn it on its highest setting. I'm gonna put the washcloth over the dents. So here's the first one. Dents are gone. And you can already see from here, the dents are gone. That is wild. All right, these dents right here are bothering me just a little, so I'm just gonna drip some water on them and see if that will swell them up. Now, I don't want to water stain the wood, but actually feels like it's working. What I think is happening is, so the dents attract more water, obviously, because gravity keeps the dents full of water. So the water will stay longer in the dents and hopefully swell back up. Now, I've only let that sit there about 3 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and dry it off and see if we notice any difference. See a little bit of a dent still right there in that darker wood, but definitely a lot better.